my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 1. Law could be good. So, chapter number 1, Safety on the Road. Roads are usually crowded. You should be very careful on the road. Otherwise, you may meet like with an accident and get injured. Here are some safety rules that you should always follow. Number 1, walk only on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road, facing oncoming traffic. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Cross only when the traffic light has turned red and vehicles have stopped. Number 3, never play on or near the road where you may not notice the traffic coming towards you while trying to catch a ball, a kite, etc. Number 4, never put your head or arm out of a moving vehicle. You may get hit by another moving vehicle, a pole, etc. Get on or off a bus at a bus stop only. Running to catch a bus or getting down from a moving bus is very dangerous. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Personal safety. So do it yourself. So okay, let me start. Children, you should be street smart and know well how to keep yourself safe. Sometimes some people may try to harm you. You should know what to do in such a situation. Given below are some such situation. For each situation, take 3, the option which you consider most appropriate. Okay. So if you are alone at home and somebody knocks at the door, so you will immediately open the door. Open the door only if you know the person will. Never open the door. Option B. 2. Okay. Open the door only if you know the person there. अगर तुम किसी को अच्छी तरह जानते हो तो तुम दरवाजा खोलोगे. If you are alone at home and somebody phones, you will not pick up the phone. Tell the caller that you are alone. Tell the caller that my father will talk to her very soon. 1. If your domestic help tries to hug or kiss you, you will stop him or from doing so. Allow him her to do so. Immediately inform your parents. Stop him her from doing so. Number 4, suppose you are playing in a park, stranger comes to you and promise to give you a bar of chocolate. If you go with him, so you will refuse the offer politely, say no in a strict manner. Refuse the offer politely. उसको मना ही कर देंगे. If one of your relatives or some other person knows you to touches you in a way that makes you uncomfortable, you will inform your parents. In the school playground, you see that a bully from your class is pushing another boy, you will inform a teacher immediately. Inform a teacher immediately. If you are at a public place with your parents and want to go to a toilet, you will nearby desert places, go to the public toilet alone. Go to the public toilet with your mother or father. If you are shopping with your parents in a mall and you get lost, you will go to the information counter and give your details there. Okay? So, dear students, this question, do it yourself. Okay? Answer this question and do it yourself. So, everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Talking on the telephone. The pictures of some children showing some good and bad telephone manners are given below. Put a smiley for good manners and bad for bad manners. So, hello, may I talk to sweetie? Number 1. So, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि आप कैसे जो है वो करोगे. Hello, may I talk to sweetie? So, this is okay. Number 2, may I know who is speaking? Yeah, smiley. Number 3, who are you to ask don't call again? Bad manner. I don't know. It's none of my business. Bad manner. If you have any message for her, please tell me. Yes. I have some other work to do. I don't have time to pass the message. Wrong. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Social etiquettes. Okay. As civilized individuals, we should deserve social etiquette in our behavior in the society. Fill in the blanks with the words always they were suitable. Number one, dash knock at a closed door and enter only if you are welcome. Always. Always knock. Number two, dash interrupt when two persons are talking unless there is an emergency. Never. Dash comment on other people's physical features and appearance unless of course it's to compliment them. Never. When someone asks you a favor, do it with a smile. किसी को आपका favor चाहिए, so always never shout at your elders. Number 5. Number 6. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Always. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, we will let's begin the next chapter. So, the chapter is Guest at Home. We should welcome our guest whenever they visit us. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and encircle the correct word. So, let me start. Always never welcome the guest with a smile. Always. Never always greet your guest on his arrival. Always greet your guest on his arrival. Offer a glass of water to your guest. Always. Never talk rudely to your guest. Number 5. Share your toys with your guest. Always. See off a guest till the gate of your house when he or she is leaving. Always. Okay? The good etiquettes. So everyone, this chapter is in here. My dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class.